Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare propolis versus problems. Listen for clear distinctions between natural sources, reported benefits, and common risks, then note practical uses and when to consult a professional. I will describe typical preparations, how people use propolis for wound care or sore throat relief, and the limitations for chronic conditions. Stay tuned for safety tips, dosing ideas, and simple ways to evaluate product quality before trying any supplement. Propolis can offer real benefits, but expectations should stay realistic. I'll explain how its antimicrobial actions may help minor infections and how anti-inflammatory effects can ease irritation. You'll hear about common forms like tinctures and creams, plus which symptoms respond best. I'll also compare anecdotal reports with clinical findings so you can weigh benefits against uncertainties and decide whether propolis fits your self-care plan. Safety matters when considering propolis for problems. I'll cover signs of allergy, how to perform a patch test, and when to stop use. Learn which people should avoid propolis, such as those with bee or resin allergies, and why pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should seek medical advice. I'll also explain simple precautions to reduce risk and what to watch for if you try a new product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.